So we have those Microsoft earnings out. Shares are up 6.5% right now. Steve Kovach has the numbers for us. Hi, Steve.
Yeah, Morgan, that's because we got some nice beats here on the top and bottom lines. EPS coming in at $3.46. Street was looking for $3.22. Revenue also a beat here by a couple billion, $70.07 billion. Street wanted to see $68.4 billion. And then Azure cloud growth, always an important one here, also beating expectations, up 33% on the year-ago quarter. Street wanted to see up 30.3%. We see shares up now 6%, guys.
All right, and we also have Qualcomm results that are out. Qualcomm fiscal Q2 2025 results beat on the top and bottom lines. Revenue at $10.84 billion versus $10.66 consensus. Non-GAAP EPS $2.85 versus $2.82 expected. On the guide, just in line on the top line, if you take the midpoint of the range here, Qualcomm guiding to revenue of $9.9 to $10.7 billion. That's 10.3 at the midpoint. The street looking for 10.35. EPS guide is a beat, $2.70 at the midpoint versus a $2.67 consensus. Underneath here, it's interesting. The chips business is performing well across the board. If you look at Qualcomm's QCT revenue, handsets a bit better than expected, but automotive and IoT doing particularly well. The licensing business, though, QTL, a bit weaker than expectations for Q2 at $1.32 billion versus $1.36 expected. And the QTL guide is below the street at $1.25 billion at the midpoint versus $1.31 expected. Not sure that might account for this 6% down move we see in Qualcomm right here in overtime, Morgan.
Yeah, it is a big move for beats on some of those key, given the beats on some of those key metrics.